Hey everybody, Jamie from the Marine Doctor's YouTube channel, and today we've got a 15 horsepower gear case that we're going to take a look at. This bad boy. We're going to have a little quick discussion on how it works and the importance of the neutral cutout switch and so on and so forth to protect you guys when you're out on the water. All right, let's dive in. All right, here's our little gear case. 15 horsepower Yamaha. Now, why do I have this and why do I have it cut open? Well, the reason I have it cut open is for when customers come in, they can go ahead and have me describe how it works, and or if they've got questions of failures inside the gear case, I can explain to them what may or may not have happened. Also, it allows me to explain how a water pump works. So let's start at the top. So we have an input shaft that comes down from the crankshaft. Now, I suggested something out front is why we have a neutral safety switch, and this is going to answer that question. As soon as you start the motor or start the flywheel spinning, the drive shaft spin, the water pump spins, the gears, they start to spin. So if I can rock this back and forth, you'll see them move. Okay, now, this little guy in the center is called a clutch. And what it's designed to do is move back and forth with the aid of this shaft. This is the shifter shaft. So this one moves up and down. Unfortunately though, this one doesn't move because there is damage inside the gear case. Now, the majority of the gear cases work similar. They've got the clutch that's down at the bottom, again, here, that moves back and forth. Now, it can move back and forth one of two ways. By the shifter moving up and down, which is you at the controls moving the lever forward and back, or moving it on the engine, again, forward and back, or it would simply rotate. So Mercury typically rotates. Yamaha, some of the older Mariners and Hondas, they move up and down just like this does. But some of the Hondas also rotate. It depends who is making their gear case for them. Now, as this clutch moves back and forth, it engages or disengages the prop shaft from the gears. Keeping in mind, remember, the gears, as soon as the engine starts, or as soon as that flywheel turns, they're moving. All right? So if we're in forward gear, for example, and you turn the key and it allows the engine to start, you're immediately going to move forward. There's no hesitation. There's no pause, it's immediate. And the same thing would apply with reverse. If this is moved back here to the reverse, you're gonna go backwards. So we definitely want this in the middle so that it's not engaging forward or reverse. That's why we have that neutral cutout switch. So if the switch is on or off, dictates whether or not the current goes through to the starter to allow you to start the engine, or if it's a manual start, it'll lock out the pull cord so that you can't physically pull on the cord and have to put it into neutral in order for that to work. So what happens once we have power running from the clutch to the gear, which is connected to the prop shaft? The prop shaft spins. Now you can hear it click because there's a tiny bit of space between the clutch. You see this opening here and here? There's an opening like that on the gear as well, and that's what we're moving in and out of. So we're engaging and disengaging. I guess while we're in here, we can see the damage here. We've lost some teeth. So this has been an underwater collision at some time. So ideally what will happen in a case like this is the prop stops in the water, which stops the shaft. It's still being driven by this shaft, which is being driven by the engine. So it's still attempting to turn these gears, and the gears simply break. And that's how that works. The flywheel spins, the crankshaft spins, the drive shaft spins, the gears spin, the prop shaft spins, you move forward or reverse. So again, neutral safety switch, very important. If you disconnect it, you run the risk of damaging your boat or hurting someone, because it's going to either move forward or it's going to move in reverse. Anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out these videos, and I'll see you guys next time.